Hi, this is Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. This is a set of GK as well as EVS question paper which I have prepared for UKG to class 1. There are 10 questions from almost all the topics. This one is an objective type question paper. So without wasting time, now let's look into the questions. The first one is, pick the non-living thing from the following. This is based on the living thing and the non-living thing topic. The options are birds, ball, animals. So your child should tick the correct answer. Here the ball is the right answer. The second question is, name the organ which helps us to breathe. This question is based on the sense organs, right? So the options are eyes, mouth and nose. So the right answer is nose. So ask your child to circle the answer. The third question, in traffic signals to stop the vehicles, the dash light is used. The options are green, red, yellow. This question is based on the vehicles. The answer is red. Now let's look into the fourth question. Identify the type of house that you find in the cities. So we have different types of houses, right? One is hut, kacha house and pakka house. So the answer is pakka house. Pakka house is made of cements and bricks. It's a strong house. Now let's see the fifth question. Name the sense organ which helps us to feel. Yes, we have 5 sense organs, right? So the options are skin, nose and ear. Ask your child to find the right answer and tick the correct one. The sixth question is, look at the pictures and tick the national flower of India. Yes, we have 3 pictures here, like one is lotus, marigold and the tuberose. And here, what is the national flower of India? Yes, this is a picture of lotus and lotus is the national flower of India. This is the 7th question, a very simple question. Name a plant-eating animal, right? Ask your child to write a name of a plant-eating animal. And the next one is the 8th question, circle a flesh-eating animal. Here we have options like tiger, goat, elephant. So ask your child to find out the flesh-eating animal and circle that word. This one is the 9th question. The question is, when you feel tired, which room would you like to sleep? The options are kitchen, bathroom and bedroom. Now ask your child to find out the right answer and tick the right word. This is the last question, the 10th question. Name a junk food. This question is based on the food topic. So ask your child to write a name of a food which is junk. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.